Hello friends. Today Peppa, Schorsch and I are making an aquarium with Play-Doh. First, we add sand to the bowl.
Now, let's place some beautiful stones on top.
Sophia, what's in this box?
It's full of Play-Doh moss. Let's make some sea creatures.
I am making a starfish.
I will make a shell.
Which color is preferred?
I am making pink starfish.
I am making green shell.
That looks great. Look at our aquarium. It's coming to life.
Sophia, look. Shell is beautiful, isn't it?
The shell turned out beautifully. Schorsch, great. It goes into the aquarium now. Let's make a little fish with orange Play-Doh. Here are colorful scales on it. Now, it will swim in our aquarium.
It's beautiful.
All done.
Now, we will finish by adding some seaweed with green Play-Doh.
Our aquarium looks amazing. Let's name our fish Orange.
Friends, you can try making your own sea creatures at home too. You can try seahorses and sea turtles too. Goodbye. Hi Darin, do you want to play a fun game? I have to work on my computer. But I can prepare a great game for you. How about a treasure hunt? Darin, I am sending you on a treasure hunt to find the treasure. I will leave clues for you to follow. Darin, your first clue is hidden nearby. And when you go there, you will find another clue. Darin, can you find it?
Here it is. Another clue. Here I found another clue. Yes, finally.
Darin found the treasure. Did you enjoy? Friends, you can set up your own treasure hunt at home too. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all.